This is the 2017 Nissan Rogue S with all-wheel drive. It has just over 64,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood you have a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine putting out 170 horsepower and has 175 pound-feet of torque. Taking a look at the interior of this Nissan Rogue, you have power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. You also have storage along the bottom of the door. Your interior seating is a black cloth. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. You can see there we have 64,322 kilometers. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights. And beside that, you have your dimming buttons for your gauges, along with your trip reset button. Below is your button for traction control, all-wheel drive button, as well as your sport and eco drive modes. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your controls for your display by the gauges, along with your volume controls. And on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, as well as your Bluetooth audio controls. In the middle here, on your radio, you have your AM, FM, CD player, satellite radio, USB, and auxiliary in. This vehicle is also equipped with a backup camera, climate controls in the middle, and down here you'll find your USB port, auxiliary in, and power outlet. And this is an automatic transmission. You also have your heated driver and passenger seating. And in the center console, lots of storage with another power outlet there. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. Taking a closer look at the exterior, you have your hand-cooked tires on 17-inch plain steel rims with wheel covers by Nissan. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll check out the rear of the vehicle. You have your Rogue badge there, as well as your all-wheel drive badge. This vehicle is equipped with remote keyless entry. As well, you do have aftermarket remote start. So if you just hold down the button on the side of the remote, it'll start right up for you. And we'll let you know as well that it's started. And it will start a 15-minute countdown timer. And if you want to turn it off before then, hold down the button again, and it will beep and shut off. Now we'll take a look at the trunk. Lots of cargo space here in the back. Your rear seats do fold down for extra storage. Power outlet there on the right-hand side. Storage in here as well, underneath there, and your spare tire is below that. Taking a look at the rear interior, you have your power windows with storage along the bottom of the door for beverage. Lots of legroom here in the back, as well as storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. You also have your rear adjustable vents, and as you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. In your rear seats, it is a 40-20-40 split. The middle folds down here with cup holders. And if you want to find out more about this vehicle, you can check us out online at parkmazda.ca. And while you're there, you can fill out a test drive form. Come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Also be sure to check us out on social media at Park Mazda on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.